ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಆರೋಗ್ಯವಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಭಾವಿಸ್ತಾ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸಂವಾದದ ಮುಂದಿನ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆರೋಗ್ಯವಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಜೋರಾದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಆಲ್ಫಾಗೆ ಬರಲಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಆಲ್ಫಾದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೌಂಡರ್ ರೂಬಿ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಿಮಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾದಂಥ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಮೇಡಮ್.
Thank you so much. I thank everybody over here present. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? I'm not very fluent in Kannada, so
That's
please
fine.
forgive me. I'll speak in Hindi and English mix.
Sure. I'll be there to translate.
Thank you so much.
ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಅಡಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ NGO-ಅನ್ನು 2009ರಿಂದ ಆರಂಭಿಸಿ ಇವತ್ತಿನವರೆಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೇಡಮ್, ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನಾವೇ ಬದುಕೋದು ಬಹಳ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅನಿಸೋವಂಥ ಇಂದಿನ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಕಿಡ್, ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಅನಿಸುವಂಥ ಈ ಆಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಅಡಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅವರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನೀವು ಬದುಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಈ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ರಿಯಲಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ನೋ ಆಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಪೀಪಲನ್ನು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ನೋ ಆಟಿಸಮ್. ಈ ಆಟಿಸಮ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಏನು, ಯಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ, ವೆನ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್, ಹೇಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
Okay. Thank you. Autism is one of the 21 disability which has been listed in the new RPD Act, which was enacted in 2016. Before that, autism unfortunately was not recognized in India. And it was one of the struggles for parents like us to ensure that autism is recognized, because a lot of people were clubbing it with mental retardation, and I'm not saying they're two different things actually. So Autism Society of India, which came up in 2006, it struggled, and finally autism was recognized in 2016. Now, what is autism? The doctors would make you understand that autism as such is not a health issue, but it's more an intellectual developmental disability. So as the child is growing, from the time the child is incepted in the womb till the time it is about 10 years, the developmental process of a child happens. The body happens, and the problem in autism happens not just because of genetic reason, but several other reasons. It could be postnatal trauma, prenatal trauma, having drug abuse in the family, or any kind of chemical abuse around you. So there are multiple reasons, and there is not one reason for which autism happens. So we cannot say that if we avoid this reason, autism will not happen. But autism, when it happens and when it is identified in the initial first few months of the child's growth period, when the fine motor development doesn't happen, or when the developmental milestones are not followed. Suppose the child is not crawling, the child is not talking, or child is not using one or two words at the appropriate age, then there could be some deviation, and that's when the pediatrician should be approached. However, a lot of time we miss out, most of the mothers miss out, because basically autism children look very normal. And it is only when the communication age comes, so about 18 months and onwards, the child, when he started to communicate, normal children start to talk and make one or two words to demand their requirement. Autism children will not do that. So they will not point fingers. A small normal child will have a joint attention with the mother. Mother says, look at the parrot, look at the crow. They will follow it. But in autism, it doesn't happen. So at that point of time, it should be a red signal for the parents that the child is not paying attention where you are asking them to pay attention. A very good sign of identifying autism children is when you smile at a small baby in the bus also, he will smile back although he doesn't know you. It's called social smile. So if the child is not smiling back, not reacting, not doing things that a normal child would do, that's when you should start noticing things. also when you find some of the children hearing too many things but not hearing what you want to say. So you keep calling the child, he is not responding to his name. But if there is a wrapper being opened of a chips packet, immediately he'll turn around. So these are very sure sign that it could be some developmental problem. I'm not saying it always happens like that, but these are some of the pointers.
ರೈಟ್. ಸರಿಯಾದ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ತಾಯಿಯಾದವರು ಅಥವಾ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆದವರು ಅದನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ. ಇದರ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸಿದ್ದು, ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೀನ್ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಆಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ from the right beginning, but this is autistic adults. Why it's for adults, why it's necessary anta?
Yeah, so this was set up in 2009 in Bangalore, and the reason being my son was today is 31-year-old, his name is Anujit, but he, when he was growing up, there were many, we were struggling to get autism recognized in India. And as my idea or my knowledge of autism grew with my child's requirement. As he grew older, by 10 years, there were certain milestones which was received. After 10 years, there are certain things that happens to normal children also, which was not happening to him, or he was not able to communicate and socialize with people. So my problem was increasing with his age, and I could see that there are people talking about early intervention, people talking about identification of autism, people talking about what is needed for that age. But my son was already around 16 years, 14, 15 years when I started this project, and I started feeling there's no place where my son who's becoming an adult after 10 is accepted. Most of the normal schools or special schools would throw him back, refuse to take. Or even if they felt sympathy, but they did not really accommodate him, or were always complaining about his disability. And I never wanted nobody likes that your child's every day, with no reason of his, that teachers are sending complaints and all that. So of course my battle was to start something which will address the needs of teenagers and adults. Now please understand why teenagers is because during teenagers even normal children are becoming rebellion. You would have seen,
exactly.
as a brother, as a girl or a boy, you will see that you become rebellious, you answer back to your parents, or you try to fight with everything. Why it happens? It's because of the hormonal changes. It's because of the transition from childhood to adulthood. That transition period, it's always said कि जवानी की दहलीज थोड़ी difficult होती है. So the 16 years का time जो होता है, 14, 15, 16 years, that is the time when they need more communication. But problem with autism is that they don't have communication. The problem area is communication. So if the problem area is communication, you can't even make them understand that, look, your body is changing, your hormonals are affecting your behavior, so you settle down, you don't be aggressive. There is nothing for him, and he is nervous, and the family is equally nervous. So we needed to focus on getting something to work on the adult need. So that is why Alpha started. One more bigger area of my worry was, as most of the mothers or most of the parents of autism children have, is what after me? After I'm gone, who will look after my child?
Exactly.
So Alpha is all about future of these children with dignity and respect. So even if the parents are gone, if we make provision for our child to be looked after in a decent standard manner, Alpha takes care of all that after the parents also gone. Or parents become old, because they become old and they can't look after them.
I refer Alpha adults as kids. Kids ಅಂತಾನೆ ಕರಿತೀನಿ.
Yes. Kids.
ಎಷ್ಟು
For
ಜನ
me, it will always be. My son is 31.
but still a kid.
And my younger son is 24.
Okay.
And for him, I tell him, you're a grown-up man. So 31-year-old is a child, is a baby.
Right. So ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈಗ ಆಲ್ಫಾದಲ್ಲಿ?
Repeat that, how many?
How many kids are there in Alpha
There
right
are,
now?
since autism needs very specific training, and adult have lot of behavior issues, and we have to have, every child has to have a structured program.
Exactly.
We cater to limited number of children because it is not that we club like a international school, bhar diya to bhar diya. In one class there are 100 children. It's
And
not
this
like
is
that.
also one-to-one
One-to-one
needed,
so
right?
and so specific need, every child will have different need. So we have about 32 children.
Okay.
And many come regularly, but on roll in last 10 years we have helped out at least over 100 children directly through direct training, indirectly many children. But we are catering to about 35 to 40 children. We will be catering in the hostel, the lifelong care hostel,
Okay.
which will be a geriatric, along with geriatric, vocational training and structured program through the day. They would be engaged and happily after. So we have 2 hostels at the moment in Alpha, which you could, anybody is welcome to go and see. There you'll see all children above the age of 18. So the one who's the most elder is 38-year-old.
Okay.
And he's a chemical engineer by profession. So
Oh, wow.
he's got autistic features. So it's not
Amazing,
the degree.
amazing.
It is the degree of problem that they are into.
Right. That was my actual question. ಈಗ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಕಾಗ್ನೇಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಏರಿಯಾಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟೈಸ್ಡ್, ಯಾವ ಏರಿಯಾಸ್ ಅರ ಬಹಳ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಕಿಡ್, ದೇ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಕಿಡ್, ಯಾವ ಏರಿಯಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟೈಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ?
Yeah, many of them, see, many of them, like any other normal child, it depends a lot on the interest of the parents. So as the child is about 3-4 year, you could make out what the child is interested in, music, because autism is also sensory processing disorder. Right. Now, sensory processing disorder can be addressed only through integration of the sensory inputs, overload of inputs. So anything to do with the sensory can be very useful, splinter skills. So if suppose they can be very good music learner, they could be very good in doing tabla or any of the instruments. Right. They can be done. Some of them are very good with making computer softwares. Oh, not wow. Making software, but they are very good because somehow they can focus on the things that you can't focus or I can't focus. So I have children in my center who would do this small puzzles and about 2,000 big pieces, small puzzles, pieces, right? And they are able to do it over the next 2-3 days.
They sort it out.
They can sort it out and put it in the right order. We can't do it. So they are very good with software, assessment. So right. That is one area with which IT industry has been exploring, using how to develop software and things like that. But any other skills can be helped out, and you need to work very hard with them.
Right. Okay. So my next question is, ಈ ಆಲ್ಫಾದಲ್ಲಿ there are many, you were telling, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಮೆಡಿಕೇಷನ್ ಆಗಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಥೆರಪೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೀಡೆಡ್, ಥೆರಪೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಡ್. ಈಗ ಆಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಕಿಡ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಥೆರಪಿ ಸೂಟೇಬಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಥೆರಪಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಬೆಟರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಥೆರಪಿಗಳು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು? ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಥೆರಪಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಕಾಲರ್ ಥೆರಪಿ, ಅದು ಇದು ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ರೆಕಗ್ನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ಥೆರಪಿನ ಯಾವ ಕಿಡ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ಹೇಗೆ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಹೇಗೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಡೀಲ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ?
Okay. Before I tell you what at Alpha what we are able to do, autism children, as I said, is a sensory processing disorder. All the 5 sense organ is taking inputs, transferring the inputs that the eyes are taking or hearing is taking and cataloging it in the brain. In case of autism children, that's the problem. We don't know where the area of where the problem area lies. So the processing doesn't get properly cataloged in the brain, and then when you have you ask them something, the communication part of it, they are not able to recall. So the receptive language and reciprocal language, 2 language is difficult for the autism children to develop. Now this happens because the sensory is not integrated. For example, I was talking to you about this. If at one point of time when you're hearing my voice, there are other sounds in the studio, but you are able to filter it out. Their brain can't filter it out. All the inputs are going cluttering their brain, so they are not able to focus on a particular area. Right. Now what will happen if you're not able to focus? You will be really confused. Where is your hearing or your mobile lying, you don't know in your clutter. So you need to find out all that to have a structure. Having a to any therapy which will help the child to build a structure in the brain, to catalog the brain information in a proper order. What happens is, suppose you are using sensory clay dough or any kind of bubbles that you try out with smaller children also. So color therapy, you try out with the smaller children also. Maybe a 2.5-year-old child at home, you start telling them what t-shirt color is your dad wearing, or what is the color of the apple lying on the table. You try to teach them one color at a time. Similarly, you can use all colors, all kind of teaching methodology to teach them in the first 10 years and give them all inputs. Music therapy can be very useful. Massage therapy, I personally feel, is very, very helpful for them because they have sensory overload in the body. In that case, if we do massage, it can settle down their kind of disturbed sense organs, senses, inputs that is getting cluttered in the brain. So you have many methods of teaching them in the early periods.
Right.
But early intervention therapies are there, sensory therapy is there. But for me, in Alpha, we work on kind of mixture of everything. First, we start with assessing the child's entry behavior and what is the requirement. Suppose the child doesn't have fever and we keep giving paracetamol, it's not going to help the child.
Right.
The child may be needing something different and his level is something very high and we are trying to teach him at the class 1 level. You can't do that. So your program has to be specific to the need of child, and the program has to be in the sense that they should always have somebody to direct them, and or a structured program in written format also. If they can read and write, they should be able to follow. If not read and write, symbols to be used that can be why do you have symbols in airport which is, which everybody can understand? It is not in any language as such, but you have symbols showing that bathroom. So these symbols that can visually they can understand is
Right.
very good way of trying to communicate, because language they may not be able to comprehend.
Right. You were telling you are a mother to autistic son. Back then, on 30 years back now, ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ starting you have started in 2009, but starting ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದು NGO ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ವಾಟ್ ವರ್ ದ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟೀಸ್ ಯು ಫೇಸ್ಡ್, ವಾಟ್ ವರ್ ದ ಚಾಲೆಂಜಸ್ ಯು ಫೇಸ್ಡ್, ಹೌ ವಾಸ್ ಇಟ್, ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ throughout the journey, when you sit and just now blink, what do you feel?
I know I always feel how it happened. It's like dream come true. But I also pat my back. I think I should. World will not pat my back, but I must do
Obviously.
that because I feel I'm very happy with the way my son has come up. He had a lot of behavior issues. I have a rod in my leg because my son didn't understand that his pushing can make me fall. And he doesn't know how much power he has in his hand. At 16 or 17, he would push somebody and he doesn't know. So I feel today he is one of the most docile and well-behaved child. It doesn't happen just like that. And he's quite independent in his own needs. So self-care needs, he can take care of himself. So those areas I used to wonder how it will happen. He doesn't know even how to brush his teeth. So that is one thing. I started... thanks to my husband. My husband is an army officer, and his army background also helped me in the sense. As a mother, as a young bride, I went to an army life, and army has a very structured program. Morning from this to this, they will have PT. From this to this, they will have darbar or whatever. So they have a very structured program for all Jawans or the educated officers to follow. So this is how I followed my NGO work. I tried to set up an NGO, and I first tried to understand what is the need of the government, what are required. So the paperwork I did and kept adding every paper documentation that needed to be done according to the requirement of the country. And one more thing that I would want to add is that the parents of the autism children need to work like that. You have a child, doctor tells you that your child is autistic and he is mild, moderate, or severe autism. You start planning. You have to have his Aadhaar, you have to have his bank account, you have to have his PAN card, you have to have his disability certificate, you have to have his assessment, you have to have his unique disability card. These, only then you can go for the next level, getting his pension from the government, all that. But these paperwork, documentation, everybody should do. And any parent who doesn't know where to go should go to NIMHANS. NIMHANS is the one-stop place where they will give you all the guidance. Then you can get a medical insurance called Niramaya, which is national trust which takes care of autism and other four disability, intellectual disability. And all these, the parents need to stop going on Google just to search for information, but start working on what is available. And so this is one. And again, of course, the NGO setting up a government is called non-government organization. It means complete government job, but no government support. So you have to fight at every level. Every level. Everything that you need to get done, you need to change the law in the center or law in the state. So, for example, to set up the Dodballapur residential project is on 3-acre land. Government doesn't give you any support. Very mild support. Government tries to give because it's, I don't know, maybe they don't understand the requirement and they don't feel like a mother, you know.
Exactly.
And I have to have a quality of life for these children. So we need certain requirement. We need space. No land to find.
You have this podium, you have a stage now. So, what government support do you expect? Because 30 years back, ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ. ಆಟಿಸಮ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಡಿಸಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಆಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇತ್ತೀಚಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 21 ಡಿಸಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಯು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಡನ್? ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಏನು ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ?
Karnataka government has been very supportive, I must tell you. In fact, in 2012, Sadan Gowda was the chief minister. We went to him and we said, we are going to fast on to death. Because there is nobody trying to understand the needs of autism. Autism was not recognized in 2012. Yes. And he said, don't worry, you don't have to sit on fast. We will do what you want. So he started 2 child-centric plan without autism being recognized in the center. He said only for autism school. So that's a good, very big point. And the bureaucracy is very helpful. The bureaucrats in Karnataka government has been very helpful and supportive. There are few areas of problem wherein autism is not understood. Autism is difficult to understand. It's because it is not just one sense organ problem. So like blind, if a person who has a problem with the vision will have one sense organ issue. So only one area of problem. But these children have all the 5 sense organ has a problem. So the disability is multiplied into multifold. Now, any common person who's not experienced an autism child, and if you see an autistic child, they look very handsome, very good looking, but they don't understand why he's stimming, why he's rocking, why he's making his head like that, or why he's jumping. People feel scared of watching them. And when they grow older, well-built, 6 foot tall, jumping, the world feels more scared of them. So a lot of things doesn't happen because we have not been able to explain the world what is the reason why autism happens like that. But also because the government has to come down to our level to understand. Because as a mother, I have been battling with problems. I don't have time to tell everybody.
Explain
as
everything.
much as possible, as much as I'd like to tell, I am not able to do that. So all mothers who are sitting outside, if you can translate that in Kannada,
I'll do that.
all mothers who are listening to me, please make sure that you make 10 other people aware about what is autism. What are the disability what are the problem areas that you face? And what is the solution? One solution which I definitely look at is that residential project of our kind. NGOs should be supported. Government can't do it because it needs a lot of motherly touch. But the government should give, like they give to the religious places, they should give land. They should give some financial support. And what else? I mean, law should be there to make it easier and
Exactly.
more convenient for such children to go into such centers, because they cannot be left on the street after the parents are gone, because they become like an unmanageable cattle, and then the problem will fall on the society itself. So it's very important to have such centers.
Exactly. When we talk about equality, equal rights and educational rights, everything should be provided ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಆಗಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಅ ಅಡಲ್ಟ್ ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬದುಕೋದು ಅಂತ. ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಲೈಫ್ ಲೀಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಇದೆಯಾ ಥ್ರೂ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಆರ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಅದರ್ ಬೇರೆ ಮೆಡಿಕೇಶನ್? ದೀಸ್ ಡೇಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಥೆರಪಿ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ವೆಲ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಒಂದು ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಲೈಫ್ನ ಆಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಕಿಡ್ ಲೀಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ?
Yeah, most of the time, see, autism is a spectrum disorder. It's like
Right.
0 to 100. So depending upon the load of disability and the load of intervention and therapy that the child has had. Resource is very important. Suppose a poor family in village doesn't have the resource. The child will be neglected for first 10 years. But the mother is very smart. She knows, she improvises at home and trains the child. Then of course the child is much higher functioning. It's like how many support books you have studied to crack an exam. So if the resources are given, made available, training happens in right time, the child is much higher functioning. So the child, there are two categories, the higher functioning one, the lower functioning one, high support need one. But the ones who are higher functioning can definitely 90% times they can live a better and a more secured independent life. However, they'll need supervision all their life, because it is not, see, the problem is in the formulation of communication. And when the communication skill is lagging and socialization skill is lagging, then of course it impacts your whole lifestyle. Because it is in this world when like you and me, there are so many things we have to do since morning till evening, since the time we are born till the time we are dead. There are so many paperwork that needs to be done. These children can't understand the needs of those, because for them, they have already lost a lot of normal learning. No, normal learning. So in class 1, he's already lost a lot of previous learning. So from by empathy, if he's passed to class 2, he has not picked up everything that needed to be taught in class 1.
Right.
Like normal children. So he will be a little retarded in the next year. I don't want to use the word retarded, but in the sense retarded in the behind the other children. So by the time he reaches class 10, and at class 8, 9 and 10 is more hypothetical studies, like more it's like not literal studies. It is like this is the
You need
problem.
to question everything,
And what
they
is
are
the
not
solution?
being able to question.
Yeah, so what will happen is that suppose you've learned till class 8, you have learned the theories. How to apply the theory only in higher classes, but they
Yes,
don't understand where to apply the theory. So even if they've learned how to match, they don't know. Most of the time, they might find it difficult to apply that learning to a real life
They know 2 plus
situation.
2 is 4, but they
Yes,
can't apply
they can't.
where to apply. Right.
So in case of autism children, you have a literal meaning, like we always use this term, everybody will relate to it, raining cats and dog. You and I will understand it is a phrase.
Right.
But for an autistic child, if you tell him it's raining cats and dog, he will go
Search
out
for
and
cats.
Correct. So the understanding is literal for them. They understand what you tell him. So when you communicate to an autistic child, be brief and be to the point and be focused into his eyes. So when you're communicating with a child with autism, try and get his eye contact.
Right.
So that really helps.
I see a strong woman, strong mother sitting in front of me. And my question, this is personally for you, because 31 years in the Magnana Nodkolta idira. And your mental health also matters, as we are talking about health issues. So how do you balance or maintain, or what do you do for yourself?
For myself, I rest whenever I get time. I work very, very, very hard. I work almost 20 hours a day, and but I sleep whenever I get good sleep. I laugh.
This is a
and
really
I
interesting
pat
question.
my back.
Can you keep the mic little?
Yeah, I constantly, you need to constantly pat your back. You do, get 60%, say I've done very well. So I'm not, because see, it when you pat your back, kind of enzyme is produced. I think the doctors would know better about it, which makes you feel strong. So
Right.
you have physical pain, body pain, and all that, but you have to live a very normal, simple life. And I enjoy my life, but I don't get so much time. But I enjoy. I laugh. I even shout a lot on my staff. But I love them, and I give love. I give, but my anger is not inside because I'm very happy inside. So being happy inside is very important. You can throw your
Tantrums.
anger and tantrum like autistic children. You have overload, you throw it out. It's a very good thing. I think I am just coming to this conclusion. If you have overload, you throw it out, and then they'll be very peaceful and calm. I'm like that. I'll throw it out, and the kachara is not in my brain. Throw it out, enjoy life, be happy,
All
pat your back all the time, pat your back.
Every
बहुत
day.
अच्छा, दूसरा कोई नहीं बोलता.
Every day is a struggle, and you have lived the struggle.
I have a
and
very good husband actually. He's helped me a lot. So he is
That's so
also
sweet.
maybe very
You're
good.
blessed.
Good family.
ರೈಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಕೊನೆಯದಾಗಿ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಮಾತುಗಳು ಕೊನೆಯದಾಗಿ ವಾಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮುಂದಿನ ಏಮ್ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಬಯಸ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಫೈನಲ್.
Very important question, because I know I'm aging, and I feel my energy level will remain till death, but I will die one day. So what I'm very plain and
Practical.
simple, because I understand my problem and I find a solution. Now what I really need is volunteers and love and affection from the volunteer for these children, because most of them don't have a sibling. They only have parents. Parents are so scared growing, nurturing this kind of a child, that they don't go for a second child. So most of them won't have siblings. So if you find an autistic child, please try and give some time. Volunteer and go to such centers, not just to Alpha, any center. And Alpha, what needs is, one, of course, building a 3-acre campus is about 36,000 square feet of construction, which
Okay.
is a humongous amount. I don't know where the money will come from, but it has come. God is there. And so, of course, we are now on the verge of completing the school building, which is about 14,000 square feet of therapy and school and vocational training building is getting completed. By coming March, we should complete it. We'll start the hostel building, but it is a humongous amount because buying the land itself was a pretty good amount of money. There are a few very good friends, and Ami, my husband's colleagues, and everybody helps. But any help, any kind of help from the doctors are very much required, because
Yes.
at some point of time I need geriatric care. These children will not have problem with self-care, self-body care. In that case, they have skin disorders. They'll have dental problems. They'll have vision problem, which is age appropriate also. So as they grow older, they're going to have these problems. We need doctors to volunteer and say, one day in a year I will come and be the duty doctor. So if we have 365 doctors signing up the form, one day they can choose in a year that on my birthday or on my anniversary day, I will go and do the service to Alpha Center in Dodballapur, and that would take care of everything, because
Exactly.
all kind of doctors will come, and we will set up an MI room there, but we will have specialized doctors coming in and giving us kind of therapy.
ರೈಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಬಿಗ್ ಡ್ರೀಮ್, ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕನಸು, ಒಂದು ಉನ್ನತವಾದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಮಹದಾಸೆಯನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ಆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂಥ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಏಮನ್ನು, ಗುರಿಯನ್ನು ಮುಟ್ಟೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆ ಯಶಸ್ಸಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಮದಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಆಶಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮುಕ್ತವಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Thank you so much.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.